Tender and juicy chicken thighs with a spicy sweet Thai sauce. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you how to make an easy, delicious, oven-baked sweet, spicy Thai chicken thighs. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to make the sauce, and it is packed full of flavor. In my bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of Thai sweet chili sauce, 1/3 cup of light soy sauce, 1/3 cup of rice wine vinegar, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, the zest of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. As you can see, there are lots of bold flavors in there. A good balance of heat, sweet, salt, and tang. Next are the chicken thighs, and you know the routine. I have 5 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs that I cleaned, trimmed, and seasoned both sides with some salt and black pepper. I have my skillet on medium-high heat, and I'm adding enough oil to coat the bottom, placing in my chicken thighs skin side down, leaving the chicken cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until a nice golden crust forms and the chicken releases easily from the pan. Flipping the chicken over and cooking for an additional 2 to 3 minutes and then removing from the pan. I turned my heat down to a medium and I removed most of the oil and chicken fat. I gave my sauce a good stir and I'm slowly pouring into my pan. Cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes and make sure to scrape all the flavor off the bottom of the pan. Once you have all the tidbits scraped from the bottom, turn off the heat. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is optional, but I'm adding in some vegetables. I'm adding in 1 large diced yellow onion, 1 diced red bell pepper, and 1 sliced carrot. These will also add some flavor, giving that a stir to coat all the veggies. Placing in my chicken skin side up and all the juices. Covering tightly with foil, and this is going into a 400 degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes and I'm giving the chicken a good basting with that delicious sauce. The chicken is going back into the oven, uncovered, for another 10 to 15 minutes and then 1 to 2 minutes under the broiler to crisp up that skin. The spicy sweet Thai chicken thighs are done and smelling good. Basting the chicken 1 final time. Garnishing the top with some chopped green onions, roasted peanuts, and I have some Thai basil that will add a pop of brightness. Can't forget the red chilies for the top to show the people what they are getting into. Actually, the sauce is not overpowering hot. A nice balance of sweet and heat. The sauce did not thicken as much as I liked because I added the veggies. If you want the sauce thicker, you can add it to a pan, bring to a simmer, and add a cornstarch slurry of 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and water. With such a delicious sauce, I normally would serve with some steamed rice, but tonight I'm making some sautéed snow peas. Just lightly cooking in some butter with a little salt, pepper, and drizzle of soy sauce. You could also add in some garlic or ginger. My family loved the spicy sweet Thai chicken thighs and the sauce. A definite winner, and it was ready in an hour. I hope you give this spicy sweet Thai chicken thigh recipe a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!